Okay, welcome back. Alright. Welcome back to Better Masonry. We're here again doing the patio. We were smallly interrupted by one of my project managers, Tony Montana. No, just kidding. So anyways, let's get back to doing the installation. Well, we got our prep work done with our HPB. We're going to be toothing this end here. There's going to be cuts, so we're going to save those cuts for later. That way all the cuts done in one day. We'll just get the bulk of it in there today. Okay, let's start spreading mortar for the next stone. There we go. Okay. Nicely spread. Nice and spread. Nice and even. There we go. Yeah, that's it, like that. Remember to use tight best. Good, looks pretty good. It will press down and even out underneath the stone, giving it a more solid feel. So don't worry about putting a little extra. It will. That's why we keep them spaced out apart. It gives them room to expand, to move around. Okay. All right, we're looking good. We're looking good. All right, looking good, Georgie. Looking good. Thank you for working out. Okay. All right, let's get that nice done. I'm gonna get my suction device here. Won't mention any names yet. I'm gonna sponsor. Okay, off camera 1 sec. Thank you. Okay. All right, there we go. There we are. This is my son Matthew. He does the buttering and the mixing. Inside of the camera, Matt.
What's up?
What's up? Yeah. There we are. Huh? It's good.
I'm good.
Okay, great. Then we're just going to install this last stone, and then we're going to have lunch. It's 12 o'clock now, so.
1 o'clock.
12:30.
1 o'clock.
Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Holy smokes. Time flies when you're having fun, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's put this in place here. See how nice it is? A little bit of tap, tap, tap. Okay, make it nice and even with the surrounding stones. These things are 1 inch thick, or 25 mils actually. So you can't hit it without risk of breaking it, like a regular tile or something made out of ceramic. That's good, that's good. Okay. Can you pass me the 8-foot level there, please? One thing, since we're toothing it, we want to make sure that it's running up exacto mondo with the next one. Because when we put that other piece inside, gotta get no track. What is wrong with that stone? Okay, looks good, looks good. Nice flush chair, a little bit off there. Let's see. Very important for our next stone to line up properly without any lips. We want to make sure these are nice and level with each other. Which they are. They're pretty close. And that's it. Nice and flat all the way around. Right? Take our long level. Run that right across. Let's look underneath to see if we see any light of day. Oh, looks pretty good. Oh yeah, looks really good. Great. Small run going south and west towards the back. That's fantastic. Fantastic. There we go. Excellent. Okay, let's go have some lunch now, and after lunch we'll pick it back up. Okay. I like this. I like